Welcome to our channel. Today, we will demystify machine learning and explain its significance in our everyday lives, all without a single equation. From voice assistants to recommendation systems on your favorite streaming services, machine learning is everywhere. Let's explore some real-world examples. Machine learning can be categorized into three types: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Each plays a unique role in how machines understand data. So how do machines learn? They analyze vast amounts of data, identifying patterns that help them make predictions. Algorithms act as the guides in the decision-making process, simplifying complex information into actionable insights. Training models is crucial, as the quality of datasets directly influences the outcomes we achieve through machine learning. Despite its potential, machine learning faces challenges including bias, ethical questions, and inherent limitations that we must navigate. Looking ahead to 2025, we can anticipate exciting trends and innovations that will further enhance how we interact with machine learning. Want to dive deeper? There are numerous resources and learning paths available for anyone interested in becoming a part of the machine learning revolution. Machine learning is redefining our lives in countless ways. As we continue to embrace these advancements, let's ensure we harness their benefits responsibly and ethically.